Hi, as you know, I've posted a new version of this on the WhatsApp group, Harvest Moon, Neil Young, and it's two verses that it appears on. Both verses beginning with the E minor 7. Come a little bit closer, that one, which is basically the first verse, second and third after the interlude, and then just after the interlude, there's When We Were Strangers. When We Were Strangers, and it's the bit that follows the vocal each time. So it goes, come a little bit closer, hear what I have to say. Just like children sleeping, we could dream this night away. So it's that bit. It goes. Now what that is a D. So now that's a D, but what I've added here is my little finger at the 5th fret, which is my favourite way of playing D. And then the riff coming down is, so D, D with the finger on the 5th fret, and then come down, which is technically D major 7. So that's just bringing that finger down from the 5th fret to the 4th fret, or using a different finger. And then we go to A, one stroke, and then into the D again. To the E minor 7. And I say it's two verses and it's on 2 lines on each verse. In itself, it's not that hard. It's just getting to grips with moving the chords to the right speed. Okay, enjoy.